across any electronics devices. This is SCR and this is C and this is R. It is the snubber circuit. And there these already I have explained you the energy storage in form of electric field. Thank you for watching eSpark Tech Academy. In today's lecture what we have studied is we have gone through some terms of capacitors and the applications of capacitor, the terms which were very important because you as your syllabus goes on you will be very it is a very important concept regarding breakdown voltage and even surge voltages, you can say dielectric strength, the breakdown strength of insulators. It is very important as an electrical engineer because you will be dealing with transmission lines, distribution lines, the power transformers or any high voltage devices which you will be coming across. There you need to calculate the dielectric strength of that insulator or that material in order to decide the insulation level of any device. Thank you for watching eSpark Tech Academy. Please like and subscribe the channel. Thank you very much, guys. Hello guys, welcome to eSpark Tech Academy. Now we will be going through batteries. Actually what batteries, because we have already gone through the capacitors which stores electrical energy in form of electrical field. Now what are batteries? Batteries are nothing but it is also a storage device which stores the energy, electrical energy in form of chemical energy. Nothing but the types of batteries. Actually the types of batteries are primary battery and secondary battery. In primary battery these batteries are non-rechargeable. Non-rechargeable means once used are finished and not recycled or reused. Once used are finished and not recycled or reused. These are nothing but dry cell and alkaline cell which you actually used in your remotes, TV remotes, you can say, for watches and everything. The same way alkaline cells are, these are also not rechargeable. Now secondary cells, secondary batteries are nothing but where these are rechargeable. Lead acid battery, lithium ion battery, all these batteries are used in your automobile sector. Automobile sector is nothing but your cars, bikes, etc. Even these cells are used in inverters, inverter batteries, inverter. Here guys we will be going through series parallel connections in batteries. Here it is a parallel connection of battery where you are dealing with batteries in parallel where voltages will remain same and battery capacity which is in ampere hour. Here I have explained the battery capacity in ampere hour because 1 ampere current is delivered in 1 hour. Its rating of battery will be in 1 ampere hour because when load is connected, when for example the RC circuit, the load is connected to the battery, the time constant is tau RC, the time taken to flow through this capacitor, and the energy will be discharged across it, and the battery will deliver ampere hour current to the load, means from which the capacitor of battery will be found out. In parallel connection what happens is the voltage will remain same and the capacities will be amplified or additive. That's why when in order to achieve the longer run time, parallel connection of batteries is used. In same way the battery capacity is calculated by connecting load of consumer, with the help of connected load of consumer. Now in series connection what happens is the voltage will get added, V1 plus V2, and this is nothing but magnifies voltages, means for higher voltages you will use the series connection, and the ampere hour capacity will remain same. Ampere hour capacity will remain same in this case. Ampere hour capacity will remain same, and the battery will be connected as, you can say, positive, negative. This way the batteries will be connected. Here the voltage will be V1 and here the voltage will be V2. Here the ampere hour capacity of one battery, ampere hour capacity is same of one of batteries. Battery capacity will remain same, only voltage will be magnified. And with the help of connected load, you will calculate the battery capacity ampere hour. Now, what type of battery you are going to use and what kind of capacity is required, here you will be calculating. This is the series connection. Just now we have also gone through parallel circuit also. Now in next lecture we will be dealing with the chemical reactions, how the chemical reaction will take place in lead acid battery, the charging chemical reaction, discharging chemical reaction, which will be helpful to you to calculate the chemical energy storage in battery, and how the anode, cathode and electrolyte process will takes place when you apply a certain kind of external voltage to it, and how these batteries are rechargeable, how the charging and discharging process takes place. All will be taught in the upcoming lecture. Thank you for watching eSpark Tech Academy. You will be once you get progress through my videos, you will be getting the concepts regarding each and everything, as we have gone through capacitor, now batteries, and in upcoming lectures definitely we will be going through magnetic circuits, which is also a vital important part, because magnetic circuits are somewhat tougher to understand for many guys. I found that many students are finding it difficult to get through it in examinations. Thank you for watching eSpark Academy.